Hello friends, all of you are very welcome in the presentation of this life-changing opportunity. Today I am going to give you a presentation of a system which can change your life completely. Yes, we are going to talk about a real forex trading system which is going to be launched worldwide. A platform that is completely transparent, which is the world's first trading system. How this system can change your life completely. Let's understand the system in full detail. Let's talk about the profile of the company. First of all, HEDX Fund is a global company that works to provide the facility of digital asset to its users. If you talk about the company, friends, the company has been doing fund management work since 2008 and it's currently bringing its own trading platform and investment platform to common users by the name of HEDX Fund in 2022, so that any user can make their investment by connecting with the company system. The company will do the trading for you, the company system will do the trading for you, and you will be able to make a very good profit from here. Talk about the users of the company, friends. The company has already active users in about 10 countries and the company is launching globally, as you know. Talking about Forex, friends, it is the largest financial market in the world. Transaction of $8 trillion take place here every day in this market. You can imagine how big a market it is. Why choose HEDX Fund? HEDX Fund offer a variety of trading products including commodities, cryptocurrencies, index and many more. 24/7 analysis of the market trends. Friends, this company is fully regulated and R&D team, which is a professional experienced team for many years that manage the entire of the system of the company. There are many other features that can compel you to join the HEDX Fund. Now let's talk about the company's product. First of all, personal trading. If you are a trader, then you can do self trading by joining the trading partner of the company. You can also take advantage of copy trading service here. If you are not connected with these two, then you can invest your money in safe mode by connecting with the company's AI trading system. What is the company's AI trading system? Friends, let's talk a little bit about it. As friends, you know that the company has been working continuously in forex trading since 2008. After many years of hard work, the company has created such an AI system or such an AI robot system that can make a good profit without any risk. In 2 years of successfully testing, this AI system has given a profit of 20 to 30% per month from this market, which complete history is live in the company's account on MT5. Everyone can see all this thing over there. What is AI system in Forex? Let's talk about it. AI is an artificial intelligence program that can analyze data many times faster than the human brain, can understand many times faster trends and better market forecasts. What is the difference between manual trading and AI trading? Let's talk about it. Speed and data analysis is limited in manual trading. On other side, the speed and accuracy of AI system is very fast in comparison to human brain in this system. Emotions can have an effect in manual trading. On the other hand, trading can be done using multiple indicators at the same time. Accuracy and speed cannot be achieved in manual trading. On the other hand, the AI system works like a supercomputer. Therefore, using large scale of historical data can work by employing trading strategies. So friends, there are many things that the human mind cannot do. A supercomputer can do that work very fast and with a lot of accuracy. That's the difference between an AI system and a manual trading system. As you know, HEDX Fund has designed an AI system which will do the trading for you and give you profit without any other risk. Why do you associate with HEDX AI? Let's talk about HEDX AI, that is a combination of 28 different low risk strategies. It analyzes the market 24/5, maintain good risk and reward ratio. Its trade accuracy is more than 80%, and there are many other reasons which make HEDX AI completely different from other AI systems. Live trading system in public domain. Yes friends, have come up with HEDX Fund with a transparent live trading system where everything is live. The common user can also see everything, like how much funds are kept in the company's account, how much profit has the company made today, what is the profit earned by the company in the last 6 months, what has been the overall history of the company, and the biggest thing is that trading going to happen live, absolutely live in front of your eyes. So it's going to be the world's first transparent forex trading platform. Let's talk about how you can join the company and how you can invest your money with the company. As you can see, the company has created 4 types of accounts: Cent, Pro, ECN and Standard. In Cent, you can take profit from 5% to 20% approximately in a month, and their investment limit is from $25 to $499. Pro has a profit of 26% to 30%. You can invest from $500 to $2,499. You can make 8% to 40% monthly profit from ECN account, and the investment amount is from $2,500 to $9,999. In the last, you will be able to take profit up to 50% from the standard account, and this account is only for investors above $10,000. Let's talk about types of income. 6 types of income here in company: trading profit sharing income, rank referral bonus, profit sharing bonus, team performance bonus, IB commission bonus, and company turnover. Let's talk about the first income, friends, which is profit sharing bonus. Here the complete calculation of profit sharing bonus has been given, but let me explain it to you completely in short. Like on first level, you get 25% profit. It means you get 25% of the profit that comes to your direct people. At the second level, you get 10%. At the third level, you get 7%. Then 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1. In this way, you get profit sharing bonus up to full 15 level, which is 25% to 1%. Meaning that, friends, you do not get this income only once. When people in your team will get profit through trading, the company trades daily, and whatever profit will come to them, you will also get money from that profit every day. Now let's talk about rank. Company has made some ranks for those people who work with their team, build their own network. Achieving the rank can do a great job. What is this rank and how can you achieve these ranks? Let's talk. The company has made 5 ranks. First rank IB, then SIB, DIB, MIB, STIB. Now every rank has their own different condition to achieve. If you want to achieve IB rank, then the first condition is that your personal investment should be $500. The second condition is that there should be 5 people in your direct. The third condition is that your direct referral investment means your direct referral business should be $3,000 and the total group investment should be $20,000. If you fulfill all the 4 conditions, then you become an IB. Similarly, to become a SIB, your personal investment should be $2,500. You will have to 15 people directly, and there should be 2 IBs also in your team. Direct referral business should be $10,000 and total group business should be $1,50,000. Then you become SIB. In the same way, you can also become DIB, MIB, and STIB. And now, what is the benefit of achieving these ranks? Let's talk further. Let's talk. The first is rank referral bonus. IB get 50%, SIB get 75%, DIB get 100%, MIB 125%, and STIB up to 150%. Now, how to get it? Let's see. Let's say IB get 50%. Imagine you are getting 25% of the profit from all the direct people you had before becoming IB. Now after becoming IB, you will get 50% of the profit from your all direct people. After becoming SIB, you will get 75%. Similarly, after becoming a DIB, you get 100%, and after becoming a STIB, you get up to 150%. Next, team performance bonus. IB get 5%, SIB get 10%, DIB gets 15%, MIB get 20%, and STIB gets 25%. Let's see. How do I get this commission? Suppose you are an IB, then whatever business is there in your group, the company is trading on that business, you will get 5% of the profit made from that trading today. In the same way, if you are a SIB, then whatever profit has been made on the business in your group, you will get 10% of that profit separately. The DIB get 15%, get 20% on MIB, and 25% on STIB. Hope you have understood. Let's talk further. IB commission. IB get $5 per load commission, SIB get $8 per load commission, DIB get $11 per load, MIB get $14 per load, and STIB gets $17 per load commission. How do you get it? Let's see. Suppose you are IB, you will get a load commission of $5 per load. How company calculate this? Let's see. The company counts one lot on a business of $1,000, and the company trades only 4 lot in a month. Means trade only 1 lot in a week. Suppose you are IB and you have a business of $20,000 in your group. Then 1 lot means $1,000 business. It means you have 20 lots on the business of $20,000. If you get 20 lot in a week, your commission is $5 per lot. Then you will generate a commission of 20 into 5, means $100 for 20 lots. This is how the company distribute IB commission. Let's talk about further. Now company turnover bonus. This income is only for MIB and STIB rank achievers. The MIB achiever get 1% of the company turnover from per month, and the STIB achievers get 1.5% of the company turnover. Now let's talk about after reaching these ranks, you reach approximately how much income for the month. After getting IB rank, any person reaches an income of minimum $1,000 in a month, but it does not include profit sharing bonus. If you talk about including profit sharing bonus, then you will reach the minimum income up to 1 lakh Indian rupees monthly from here. After becoming a SIB, you will be able to earn a monthly income of $8,600 from here. This also does not include profit sharing bonus. If you include it, then you can get a monthly income of about $10,000 after becoming SIB. After becoming DIB, your monthly income is about $64,400 per month. This also does not including profit sharing bonus. After getting MIB rank, you reach to $1,14,500 per month. This also does not including profit sharing bonus and company turnover income. After this, there is a STIB rank, and after reaching that, you cannot imagine, my dear friends, how much income you can take. You can understand these calculations by stopping the video. Let's talk about terms and condition. Principal amount you can withdraw anytime, but if you withdraw before 3 months, then 10% deduction will be there. Income withdrawal anytime, minimum withdrawal $10. And the last one is that whatever income you get here, it's available on the basis of the profit derived from the trading by the company. Because there is no commitment of any kind here, there is no fixed income of any kind here. Everything depends on the profit of the company. Presentation ends here, friends. In the end, I would like to tell you one thing. If you want to be successful in your life, are you looking for a good career, and if you are a dreamer, then HEDGEX Fund welcome you. You can fulfill all your wishes, all your dreams with HEDGEX Fund. HEDGEX Fund really has such a power which can make your every dream come true. So why wait, guys? Join HEDGEX Fund and take your one step closer to success. HEDGEX Fund, the world's first fully transparent trading profit sharing system. Thank you so much. See you soon again.